Good morning, students. Today we will know about vernier caliper, and this is a simple vernier caliper in which we will first of all know about its parts. These are known as jaws, and if I am opening this, there is a stick is coming outside, and it will measure the depth of a any cylinder or any open vessel. And these jaws are used for measuring the width or the outer diameter, and we can also use these jaws for measuring the inner diameter of a body. So for in a vernier scale there are two scales. One is main scale. This is main scale is given in inch centimeter, and the upper main scale is given in the inches. You can use any scale, and with the main scale there is a sliding scale which is sliding on the main scale. This is known as vernier scale, and this vernier scale is for this centimeters, and the upper vernier scale is for inches. In the next step we will see how to find the least count of this vernier caliper. Least count is basically the difference between these two scales, the one main scale division and one vernier scale division. Now here you see, first of all we have to find the relationship between the main scale and the vernier scale. If you see, there are 10 vernier scale divisions on vernier scale, and these are coinciding with 9 main scale divisions. Here you see there are 10 up to here 10 main scale divisions, and this is the 9th one, and these are 10 vernier scale divisions, like 1, 2, 3, this is 5th, 6, 7, 8, and this is 10th. The 10 vernier scale divisions are coinciding with the 9 main scale division. This is the main part. We will use this to find the least count. Now we will find the least count. So least count is difference of one main scale division and one vernier scale division. For that we should know what is the value of one main scale division and one vernier scale division. For that we have to go on this scale again. So this is the main scale, and to find the value of one main scale division you should know, should see the markings. Here the marking 1, 2, 3 centimeter. So you see up to here 1 centimeter. How many divisions are there? There are 10 divisions. So 10 main scale division is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 main scale division is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. So this is the value of one main scale division. Now next step is to find value of one vernier scale division. As we already discussed that the relation between main scale division and vernier scale division, the 10 vernier scale divisions is equal to 9 main scale divisions. So one vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. Now you can either put value here from one main scale division 1 by 10 centimeter and put the values here, or you can do just put the value here, like least count is equal to, you keep one main scale division as such, we will put value afterward, minus one main scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. So this is 1 minus 9 by 10 mean one main scale division. So it is 1 by 10 one main scale division. So now you can put the value here. The value is 1 by 10 centimeter. Please don't forget to write the units. Units are very important in these experiments. So 1 by 100 or 0.01 centimeter. Least count is 0.01 centimeter. Least count of what? One vernier scale value is 0.01 centimeter. Now we'll see how to take the reading, how to measure. For example, we are taking this cylinder, and this is like this. We will measure its outer as well as inner diameter. So for the outer diameter, we will use these jaws. So okay, here. So for this, how to take the reading? So reading, the formula is a mean scale reading plus vernier scale division into least count. And which main scale reading? Main scale reading which correspond to coinciding with the 0 of vernier scale division, vernier scale, and that is here the 0 of vernier scale is coinciding with 9th division of main scale. That is, the reading will be 0.9. As we know, the main scale division, one main scale division is equal to 1 by 10, that is 0.1 centimeter. So corresponding to 9th main scale division, it will be 0.9 centimeter. Or it's simple, like if you read the scale, this is in centimeter, simple scale you read, it is 0.9 centimeter. So it is the main scale reading 0.9, this is in centimeters, 0.9. So the reading on main scale just before 0 of vernier scale. Why we have written just before 0 of vernier scale? This we will explain when we measure this inner diameter, because here the vernier scale is properly coinciding with the main scale reading. So next is number of divisions on vernier scale coinciding with any on main scale. So for the vernier scale division, we have to see which division on vernier scale is coinciding any of the main scale. So now we should concentrate on the vernier scale. Which of this coinciding? Actually 0 is coinciding, best coinciding, as we already discussed. Yes, 0 is best coinciding. So we can write 0. So reading will be, main scale reading was 0.9 plus vernier scale division is 0 and least count was 0.01 centimeter. So the reading is only 0.9 centimeter. Now we will find the inner diameter of the cylinder. So put the inside of this cylinder in these jaws, upper jaws, and we'll open. Now what is the value of main scale reading? So now it is clearly it is clear here that the vernier scale is lying between these two main scale divisions. So we are not sure which value of main scale is to take. So in the formula, the reading on main scale just before 0 of vernier scale. So the main scale reading will be this 4th division, because the vernier scale, this one I will mark here, it is lying between these two divisions, but we have to take the value of main scale just before coinciding, just before this 0 of vernier scale. So just before 0 vernier scale is this 4th of main scale. So 4th division means 0.4 centimeter is the reading. 0.4 centimeter, and we will now see which division is coinciding on vernier scale. So best coinciding, it is sixth one. Yes, it is sixth is best coinciding, sixth of vernier scale. Please be careful in noting the vernier scale. We do not bother about this main scale. It can be any division, but we have to note the division on vernier scale which is coinciding any of the main scale. So it is best coinciding is sixth. So we will write 6. Now the reading is 0.4 centimeter plus sixth into least count 0.01. So 0.4 plus 0.06 is equal to 0.46 centimeter. So inner diameter is 0.46 centimeter.